welcome back to my channel. Today I have a first impressions of the Sephora things that I picked up at the sale. I used all of the products on my face today. I had a lot of bad luck today with a lot of products. I'm going to end up testing them individually to make sure that I don't like them. I had some things I liked as well. The look looks all right to me. I don't love my makeup today, but you all will see how it goes in the rest of the video. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Keep watching if you would like to see how my first impressions go. So first we're going to go in with this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer. It does smell like bananas. It smells really good. And it comes with a little spatula, so I'm just going to use the little spatula to put some on my face so that it's nice and sanitary. It feels really light. It smells really good. It doesn't feel like it's a really thick moisturizer. It feels more thin, but it feels nice. Obviously, I'll have to test that out a little bit more, but so far I'm liking the way that it feels and smells. So next we're moving on to the Tatcha Silk Canvas Liquid Primer. This has been raved about, so we're gonna see right now if I think it might be worth the hype. Of course, I'll have to test it out a few times, but usually I can get a pretty good idea of how it's going to work. It has the same scent as the regular Silk Canvas primer. All right, what do you guys think? Can you see my pores? Do I look smoother? It's pilling a little bit on me. Oh yeah, you can see it up there. See, it's pilling a little bit on me. So that's not a good sign, but ooh, it's pilling everywhere. Oh, okay. I'm gonna stop rubbing it. Hopefully that doesn't make the foundation not stick or pill on top of this primer. Maybe it's the combination of the moisturizer and the primer, but all this pilling is all in my hair and I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try to move on from that. I'm going to use the Too Faced Peach Perfect Matte Comfort Matte Foundation today. I don't know if this is the right shade. I like that it has a pump and it's like a squeezy tube. It looks like it's gonna be a good color actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my damp beauty blender and just, oh, it might be a little dark, but yeah, it might be a little dark. But my self-tan isn't that dark right now, so it probably will match when I have a fresh one on. So far, it is providing a lot of coverage, which is a good thing for me. I like a medium to full, mostly full coverage, so that's great. And it's blending really, really nice. It smells really, really nice. It's the peach smelling stuff. If you don't like scented products, this will not be for you, but I don't mind them at all. Actually, smells really good, to be honest. And I'm gonna bring this down my neck since it's a little bit dark. It's feeling really nice. It's looking nice on my skin. All right, so foundation is all blended out and on. I actually went ahead and did my concealer and put my powder on as well. And this is kind of what the foundation looks like. So it is pretty matte for me. Like I usually do like more of a natural or dewy finish. My pores are looking really, really nice from this Tatcha primer. I just really, really disliked the pilling that was going on my head whenever I was applying that. I don't have a bronzer to share with you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my cheeks, and then we will try out the Fenty cream blush and the Marc Jacobs highlighter. I did my bronzer and my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use this cream blush from Fenty. So I'm going to use a stippling brush since this is a cream product and just stipple it in there. And then I'm going to just stipple and stamp that on my cheek and blend. So what I'm noticing is it does layer over other products and foundation and cream pretty well. This is not a color I usually use. It's more like a mauve-y berry tone, and I thought it was going to be more neutral than it is. So I'm not obsessed with the color so far. And so far, I definitely don't like it as much as these Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur blushes. These are amazing. This one is okay so far, but it's not my absolute favorite. It might just because of the color And I'm trying all these new products together, so foundation kind of looks, I thought it looked good, but it looks a little bit dry, to be honest, right here. We're gonna try the highlight now. So this looked a little bit dark for me, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it out because it might end up being beautiful, or might be like a blush topper. We'll see. So I'm gonna put this right at the edge of my blush. Okay, so it's a little deep for me. It looks nice on the skin. It looks soft, it doesn't look chunky. But if you can tell, like when I'm looking straight on, it doesn't look like bright. It just looks like a shadow kind of until I turn my face. So that's what it looks like. It looks nice. I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling about some of these products, to be honest with you guys. So far, I'm not blown away by anything. Now I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to do a very simple look today. I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm gonna fan that out in my crease. It's like a cool toned light to medium brown. And almost when you put it on your eyes, has like a pinky tone. I already know that I like the eyeshadow palette because I've used it a couple of times, so this is kind of like just to show you guys what it will look like on your eyes. There's nothing super dark in this palette. I will say that's my one con with it. Like, it's pretty colorful and medium and light toned, so if you want a deeper brown or something, you definitely have to go into another palette. And then I'm gonna go into this color right here. It's like a pinky purple. It's a little bit darker, and I'm gonna go into that, and I'm just going to put that like on the outer part of my eye and through the crease a little bit lower than the first color. I'm gonna go into this gold color right here. It's like a soft gold with my finger, and I'm going to pack that on to the lid for some brightness and shine. Wow, this color is very vibrant and pretty. I don't know if y'all can tell how sparkly it is, but it does look super nice on the eyelid. So for the bottom lash line, I'm just gonna take this color over the bottom lash and then this one on the outer corner. So this is a very simple look for me. I usually do a little bit more than this, but I just want to do a simple, everyday, quick look. I also have this Pillow Talk eyeliner that I have to use. It will look great for this look today because it's like a warm burgundy color. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my inner waterline. Yeah, that looks really pretty with this look. And it glides on really, really nice, and it's very pigmented. So I like this eyeliner a lot. It looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and use this on the top too. I don't usually use pencil eyeliners on the top, but why not? Yeah, that eyeliner looks really nice. If you all can see, I just kind of put it a little bit on the outer corner and then under the lash line and smoked it out. Okay, my eye makeup is complete. I just put lashes on and some mascara and all of that, and I am really not liking my makeup very much today at all, guys. I'm gonna have to try to test these products out eventually, like on their own, like with the primer by itself, with the foundation I already love. Let's go ahead and move on to lips. I have this Melt lip liner, and it is in the color Foxy. It's like a neutrally brown color. I'm gonna overlay my lips with this. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty lipstick in the color Staycation. It's a neutral beige brown. Go back into the lip liner and kind of blend that. There's the lip. It's very cool toned. I do like the lip color, and I'm gonna use this Marc Jacobs Sugar gloss on top. I already know I love this gloss. I love it. Yeah, the gloss really brought that to life. I like that a lot. Did we do all of our makeup? I mean, I guess we did. I don't know. Oh yeah, we have one more thing, the setting spray. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Fine Mist. This is a good makeup setting spray, and we're gonna hope that this helps with some of the dry looking patches on my face right now. So I like this product a lot. It smells amazing. It's a super fine mist on your face, and it did help a little bit with the texture a little. I finished with my makeup, and I am gonna go over the products really quickly with you guys just to refresh on what I thought. So the primer, the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas Primer, I'm not sure about this. It pilled a lot on my forehead. I'm going to have to use this with another foundation that I really love to make sure I like this because it was extremely expensive. I don't know, I'm like undecided on this right now. Oh yeah, the moisturizer, the Glow Recipe Banana Moisturizer, I really did like. I definitely will continue using this. It felt very light and nice on the skin. And yeah, I liked this one a lot. The foundation, I thought I liked it. You guys even saw in the first impression saying, oh, I think this looks really nice. It looks really smoothing. And it does look okay on me, but it's just not my favorite. It's just a little too matte for my dry skin, and it does accentuate the dryness here in the center of my face, and it accentuates the wrinkles on my forehead as well. They look deeper today than they usually do, so I am not loving this. Next, I have the blush from Fenty. This is a cream blush in the color Rose Latte. I just didn't love the color, and I realized after I was like looking at it, it needed to be blended out more. So I liked the formula okay. I'm liking it more now that everything's done, but it's not my favorite in the whole world. I'm gonna have to try this one out again too. The highlight from Marc Jacobs, I was so excited for this because it was so beautiful. But guys, it's just too dark for me. It's just, I don't know. It looks pretty, but it's just a little too dark. It doesn't give me that shine that I usually like. It's a really nice formula. It was very smooth on the skin, and it doesn't accentuate pores or anything, but I don't know. I just think this isn't my color. The Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, I do like this a lot. This isn't my typical eyeshadow palette. It has a lot of color in it, but it does inspire me personally to play with more like nice spring colors. So I do like this look that I did today. It was very soft and easy. Not something I always wear. It's not my favorite look in the world, but I do like the palette. I like the eyeshadows, and it does look pretty with my green eyes. The Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner I really like. I think this makes my eyes pop. It was very easy to use. It was smooth, it was creamy, and I definitely would use this again. And then the lip products, the Melt lip liner was fine. I didn't like love it more than my MAC lip liners or anything like that. I like it, I'll keep it. The Huda Beauty lipstick, I really like the color of it. I like how it's like a neutral beige tone. I like the formula okay. This isn't my favorite lipstick as well. It's a little matte for me. I prefer it with a gloss, so this gloss really saved it for me. It's the Marc Jacobs Sugar. I love this. This is probably my favorite product that I picked up, and it is beautiful, and I highly recommend this gloss to you. And then the very last thing, oh, where is it? The very last thing was the Watermelon Mist for setting my makeup, and I do think that that really did help with the powderiness and the dryness of my skin, so I do really like this. It smells amazing. It's a super fine mist, so I do recommend this to you guys too. So we definitely had some hits and misses. We definitely did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.